Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI MediaPad T5 and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So let's start with the internet connection. It is required, so make sure that you've got the connection and then let's enter the Play Store. It may be quite confusing because usually currently the HUAWEI devices does not have any kind of access to Google products. However, this device is old enough to be able to use, for example, Google Play Store. So after entering, we will have to tap on this circle. You will have to, of course, add your Google account. You can do it right here, or you can check our tutorial of how to add the Google account. And then let's tap on the circle as I said. Now let's tap on My Apps and Games. Now we have to tap on Manage. And as you can see, this is the list of all currently installed apps, and we have to tap on Updates Available to check which we can download. So, of course, if you want to, you can mark all of them. If not, just pick some apps you'd like to update. So, in my case, maybe Google Chrome and Google Drive. Just select them and tap on this update icon in the right upper corner. And as you can see, right now your device will download the updates, and after that they will be successfully and automatically applied. So you don't have to do anything more. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.